What's up? Today we're replacing a pre-cat O2 sensor on a 2007 BMW 335i. Let's do it. Alright, okay, so today we're dealing with the pre-cat O2 sensor, and it's bank 1. So these are the O2 sensors, pre-cat O2 sensors. They go down here. Oh. Okay, so like I was saying, pre-cat O2 sensors. There is 2 of them. This is number 1, bank 1, bank 2. We got a bad bank 1, so we're changing that. So you follow this down, goes down, down, down there. I'll show you on the bottom. The best spot you can see from is past the rack. And there's a little space in between like the subframe and the rack. You go up there and you can see the one that's still plugged in there. I already took the other one out. It should be hanging somewhere right around there. But anyways, the secret to doing this without having to drop everything is you undo the one bolt on the rack here. You can usually leave this attached on there, I think, even, and just you can slide it a little bit then, just enough to give you access. See, I just bent this support guard kind of out of the way a little bit. You'll bend that back and slide that back in place like that, how it's supposed to go. But anyways, yeah, so that's how you gain access. You gotta need a small or 7/8 wrench. You can just barely get it on, and then the secret to getting the actual O2 sensor out of there is heating the car up, let it run until operating temperature, then shut it off, and then just be careful not to burn your hands. It will make it so you can crack the sensor out of there a whole lot easier. Oh, here's the one we took out, just hanging here. We already pulled it out. That goes in that hole right there. We're going to put a new one in there and plug it back in. I'll show you in a second. Focus. Whatever. Made in Germany. There's a new oxygen sensor, and it comes with a little cap on the end and tells you not to take the cap off till you're ready to install it. And you'll notice when you take the cap off that there may or may not, but this one does. It has anti-seize or whatever already on the threads, and it's got its little washer on there or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna dangle that through there into the right spot and leave this up here and get it all tightened up. So I just pulled the old one up out of there. I dangled the new one down, and we'll go underneath and see what that looks like. There's the new guy. So we're gonna finagle our hand up in there and screw it in there, and get a light better. So right there. So got it in there. There's the new one right there. Looks shinier than the other one. So yeah, it's all installed. It just took a good half a turn to make it nice and tight. That's all it recommends. Oh shit. And we got the rest plugged in up here. Boom. There she is. Hopefully that helps you. Hopefully that fixes it. So to access that, you got to take off this bottom plastic piece for the bottom, and basically just this top engine cover, and hope that helped. Alright, peace.